Hey everybody, welcome to another episode here. I am Maine420medgrower, and this is a new sponsor to the channel, Vivosun. They contacted me and said, what could I use? And I told them I could use a 6-inch inline fan and a pH meter. So we're gonna test them out, see how it works out, and yeah, let's get this baby out. Alright, as you can see, I have already got it out of the box. And we have got it's a nice little fan. I chose the plastic one here because it's considerably lighter than the metal ones, and it came with the built-in controller right on it. So I've never tried one of these out before, so I figured we'll give it a shot. And this guy has a mounting deal of some sort. I haven't really figured it out, or if it's even anything I need. It's probably not, because this is more of like to mount to a surface, and then you would clip this onto the fan itself. It would go on something like that right there, and then I'm assuming that these lock it on there somehow. These little pieces. There's really no instructions that I've found as of yet. There's all paperwork that they send. You can see they have an awful lot of stuff. And by the way, check the links will be in the description for the stuff that I'm using. And hopefully we will be using more of their stuff in the future. Yeah, so super stoked to have the pH meter also from Vivosun. This one does pH, TDC, EC, and temp. So that will definitely come in handy. It's always good to have a new pen, so you can make sure that your stuff is up to par, you know, running where you want it to and whatnot. Yeah, the only thing I just wish that it had a some of the expandable ducting with it. It does not, so I'm gonna have to get some. But anyways, take you off the tripod and make it a little easier now. Oh yeah, this is a 4x4 tent that I had, and I got the Viper Spectra XS P1500 going up here. As you can see, it's literally on like the lowest it can go right there, and she goes a lot brighter. So, yeah, don't need it turned up all the way to just set up the tent. So yeah, figured I'd give you guys a quick look at the new little setup here, and big shout out to Vivosun for coming on board with the channel. Do appreciate it a lot. And check the links in the description if you guys are looking for any stuff like this. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay medicated. Peace.